This is coming into Santa Ana now, out of Tustin. We're over. They might do a pit here. They tried one already. Studio A next. Here they go. They're going to do the pit right here. It's the second attempt on a pit. Looks like that took out that CHP unit. That's the van right there, Kathy. Yes, this started as a wrong-way driver on the 5 freeway. He was southbound in the northbound lanes of the 5 freeway and actually transitioned onto the 55 freeway the wrong way. That's when the van decided to make a U-turn on the freeway and continued up north on the 55 freeway into the city of Orange. That's when the car exited at Chapman and the CHP took over from the Santa Ana Police Department. That's when the CHP tried to do a pit maneuver on Chapman off the 55. That was unsuccessful. And just a second or two ago, just before you came to us, the CHP tried a second pit maneuver here. This is on 17th Street westbound, and he's in the city of Santa Ana right now. And look at this, he's making a turn here into a parking lot, and you can see how many units are behind in this pursuit. But again, a very dangerous and scary chase, especially for those drivers on the freeway when this guy was going the wrong direction. Now he's through this parking lot, and I'll try to get you to the street right now. But again, this driver driving very erratic on surface streets and on the freeway systems. That's right. The speeds were about 65 miles an hour at most on the freeway. Now, he was using the shoulder of the road to try to get away from the from the Santa Ana Police Department at the time. That's who went into pursuit to begin with, but they have turned it over to the California Highway Patrol because it was on the freeway systems. So now the driver southbound here, and I'm going to try to get you the name of the street here, as the police try to do their best to confine the intersections here and keep the drivers out here safe. Looks like he's crossing over, I believe this is the 5 freeway, or underneath, I should say, and continuing on southbound. It is Santa Ana, and I'm trying to get you the, this is Grand Avenue. Okay, so Grand Avenue from the 5 freeway southbound, definitely in the city of Santa Ana. In fact, he's going to go right by the Orange County Register. There's the Register building right there, and continuing southbound into the heart of Santa Ana. Adrian, the speeds are about 35 miles an hour. So we've seen slow driving on surface streets. That's good news. But again, the CHP trying to do a pit maneuver. In fact, I'm going to zoom in here. You can see the back rear bumper there is kind of dislodged due to that second pit maneuver. We saw that one happen just before you came to us live, and that was unsuccessful. In fact, that may have taken out one of the CHP units when they tried that pit maneuver. So again, this gold-colored van failing to yield. Now, I can also tell you about the driver. He is known to the police department. I'm not going to give out the name on the air, but they are saying that this suspect has a felony no bail warrant out of the Orange County area. So it's a felony suspect with a warrant, and he's failing to yield. IFB is breaking up. Yeah, Kathy, for I'm sorry, Kathy. The IFB is breaking up on me here. I missed the majority of what you said there. If you can repeat that. Hey, Tim, can you reset that IFB? That's much better. That's much better. I got it now. I'm back with you. Well, well, guys, I got you back on the IFB, and I can tell you that this guy, look at, he has his hands out the window, and the car's moving. He made that CHP tried to make an attempt on a pit maneuver, it looked like there, and the suspect saw it coming and hit his brakes. So now he's got his hands out the window, one end at least right now, and right into the center of the street. I believe this is, I believe they're on 4th Street, eastbound, and look at this. It looks like they might be coming to an end here. Let's see what happens. They got a light on him. I'm going to zoom in here. We're going to get a good look at the driver as we double in here. You can see he's got both hands out. I think it's enough is enough for this driver. We'll see if he tries to take off. But again, a very erratic situation for the CHP to deal with out here. I'm sorry, I just lost IFB again. I got it back, but it's still really broken. I don't know what's going on. Yes. Yes. Well, exactly what you said there. You're calling it exactly right. It looks like this suspect is complying, and they're going to check the car right now for any additional passengers. But that suspect now in custody, and again, a very dangerous situation has come to an end. The driver's saying, okay, I think enough's enough here. The car may be partially disabled, at least because of those low speeds, but certainly a very dangerous situation. Southbound on the northbound lanes of the 5 freeway, that's how it all started, and ending here in the Santa Ana area.
Oh, no!
We have a suspect running. Oh, this is gonna be close.
To watch more heart-stopping car chases happening across Southern California, subscribe here. Thanks for watching. The Chase is on.